So your comment is here: insurance companies lobbying for insurance-based deposit, lose for the tenant and landlord, win-win for the insurance companies. I'm not sure why you say lose for tenants and landlords. Quite frankly, for most of our single let properties, we will use a custodial deposit scheme. So the deposit protection scheme, the DPS is what we use. So for anybody who's using or renting a property from us, from a kind of 1-bedroom flat to a 4-bedroom house. And recently we have started to use, maybe about 2 years ago now, a insurance based deposit protection scheme for our HMO housemates. And the reason why we've done that is because we think we see that HMO tends to be quite the churn tends to be higher, even though most of our tenants tend to stay for around 3 to 5 years in HMO itself. But there will be a higher level of churn, so meaning a lot more people will move around much more than a single family home. So because of that, we decided to do a insurance-based deposit protection scheme for those tenants. And actually 2 years on, I think that's worked really well, because the minute that the tenant leaves, we make sure that the properties or the room in this case is fine, the mattress is fine, and etc, and straight away, as soon as our property managers have done an inventory and a checkout, we send the tenant their deposit straight away back through the bank, so that there's never any time that somebody can say, actually, you never paid me my deposit back, because everything we do will go through the bank. So from registering the DPS insured deposit with the DPS, or as well as sending the deposit back in full, if that's what's needed, to the tenants into their bank account. So then there's a trail at any given time that we can rely on to show that we've actually paid them their deposit back. So I'm not sure why you say, and it'll be interesting to hear your thoughts about why you say it's only the insurance companies that will win here. And quite frankly, I mean, it's not that expensive. So we pay for a typical £500 deposit. The average we're paying is, I think, it's £22.50. So it's not a huge amount of money. Yes, it's good for the insurance companies that they gain some form of income, but yeah, I don't think it's drastically expensive.